Yo, peace and love, everybody. Here we are with another sneaker video, and this one's going to be a little bit different. First of all, I cannot help you source this shoe, but I can say that the person that gave me the shoe, they're wonderful people, and I really respect that they gave me this type of sneaker. At first, I said I did not want the PlayStation sneaker. I would never review it, but here I am. Things change. And overall, I think it's a pretty cool looking sneaker. I just thought it's kind of improbable to have or purchase. So it's one of those instant kind of call out sneakers. It's kind of hard to explain. You know what I mean? Like, it's a call out, but it's still a great looking sneaker. But what does it matter anyway? Go ahead and hit the thumbs up while we're already here. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Subscribe to my alternate channel called Colo Culture Alternative. And go ahead and follow me on IG. And why would you follow me on IG? Because that's where I do the actual unboxings of the sneaker, give away some information, kind of chop it up with you guys. So just follow me. It's a good time. And right now I know I have the camera kind of, it's really bright. So I'll show the shoe a little bit later in the on foot. It's not going to be the on foot like I'm usually used to doing. I'm just going to show the shoe, talk about it, and just keep it moving. It's just way too cold outside. But anyway, this is the PlayStation Dunk. I heard there were like 5 pairs made. Travis went to Sony. Sony was like, hey, let's do a collab for some weird reason. We're just going to make 5 pairs for you, Travis, and no one's going to be able to get them. We're just going to make them, show the world, and keep it pushing. And here's a free PS5, by the way, Travis. Oh, thanks. I already have 10 of them. But anyway, I do like the PlayStation on the bottom, and I do like the overall shoe. I'm going to keep it real. I love the shoe. Like, it really grew on me. I don't like the brown swoosh for some reason. Like, it just looks... I don't know, I just don't like the placement of it. They didn't stitch the PlayStation wording 100%, but hey, it's there. But the brown swoosh kind of bothers me, and I wish both of the shoes look like the medial side. I don't know what that means on the left side over there on the little Nike tab. It doesn't say Nike, it says it's got the swoosh and something else. I don't know what that means. Drop in the comments if you do know what that means. But I do love the shoe. I'll talk about it a little bit more in the on feed, but let's go ahead and unbox the PS5 real quick, just to show you guys what it looks like to unbox a PS5. I mean, why not? PS5 shoes, and just so you know, this is not a UA PS5. They did not send me the PS5 with the shoes. I got this PS5 for Christmas. My lovely wife and family came together and got me this incredible machine, which I didn't think I was really, but once you do have one, you're like, wow, how could I not have one of these? It's an amazing machine. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I didn't know anything about the system when I was unboxing this, of course. So let's just pull this thing out. And it's heavy. It's a big box. It's a big machine. It doesn't look like the sneaker, surprisingly. Although there were other pictures of the PS5 sneaker. It was like black and white. And then they kind of made it out of this. But in this box, you just pretty much get all like the attachments, like the power cord, the agreements, some manuals I'll never read. I think I already threw those away. I actually threw away the box, and I shouldn't have did that. People were buying the boxes. I just threw it away. Here's the controller. This controller, again, doesn't look anything like the shoe, but it's the best controller probably they've ever made. It's the best video game controller ever. But I wish the shoe looked a little bit more like the system. There might be other PS5 systems. There's a power cord. That's the cable, USB-C to the controller. That is a stand. I didn't know at the time of unboxing it. It's a stand for the system. I have to use it. Really nice HDMI cable. System's 8K, but I only got like a barely 4K TV. Now, there's the HDMI network and 2 USB 3.0s on the back, along with the power. That's where the stand goes. That is a USB 3.0 and a USB-C. There's also an eject button and a power button, if you can see that right there. And I had no idea what these buttons were when I first got it. I didn't even know anything about the PS5, and right now I do have it upside down. Here's the classic PS3. That was the backwards compatible one. And that was a big system too, but look how it stands up to the 5. But again, not sure why I showed that again, just a close-up of the USB-C. Really nice logo. It's a beautiful system. Beautiful, beautiful system. I mean, the shoes, the sneakers are beautiful, but it's just not practical, to say, hey, I got I don't know. It depends on what kind of person you are. Do you really care about that stuff? Are you just going to wear them? Like, I'm wearing these right now as I'm doing this voiceover. I got the shoes on my feet right now. And yes, I'm still going to give them away. I'll figure that out. But looking at the Blacklight, yes, there were some imperfections, and I'm not surprised. And I've heard you can clean this stuff up off of the shoe. But my question to people that say that is, I get the regular leather, but how are you going to clean that marking off the nubuck and the suede parts? Like, I wouldn't want to put anything, you know, on that. But the markings don't bother me. Like, if the sun was a big UV light, then that's different. But the sun is not a UV light; it's the sun. So I don't worry about any of these flaws on the shoe. And again, here's the PS5 under the Blacklight, just so you guys know it's not a UA PS5. Although if they had them, I'd take one. But let's go ahead and get into this on feet. Okay, here we are with the on feet. As you see, nothing really changed. I'm still here. Man, it was so cold out there. I didn't even want to talk on camera. And I'm gonna get back to that stuff, but let's talk about the shoe a little bit. Again, I love the shoe, and it's, oh, look at that medial side. I love the medial side more than the other side, the main side, whatever you call that side. I wish they just would have made them without that swoosh, but I understand that's Travis's swoosh. Swoosh, it is what it is. And I mean, again, guys, beautiful shoe, just not very practical. And what I mean by practical, you don't want to throw these on the gram and say, hey, look at me. You don't want to probably go in the finish line and act like you just got these off a goat. So these are kind of impractical. Like me personally, because I do this channel and I make these kind of videos, it's a little bit more realistic for me to wear them, only because what I bring to the channel. But I would not I wouldn't tell anybody I got these off a legitimate source. I wouldn't even tell people I got these from StockX, because it's just impossible. But, and, you know, I just wonder why I still wonder why they make shoes for 5 people. For what? Like, if you wear these shoes out, you could potentially get hurt, you know? God bless that doesn't happen, but, you know, it is what it is. But they look great on. I mean, check out my pants, too. What do you guys think about the pants? These pants are from Hyper Denim. Hyper Denim also sent out some pants to your boy. I got to make that video at another day. But I like these. I like the cargos. I like green. So guys, tell me what you think. They're Hyper Denim. The link is always in the description, because people are always like, where you get your pants? Where you get your pants? So here's the pants. And I love them. Big old cargo pockets. Perfect for filmmakers. And I'm freezing out here. Even though I have that little cap on, I still got an earache. And I just now noticed the cap wasn't even covering my ears. So it serves me right. But I really do appreciate you guys, man. I'm going to give these away. And I didn't trash them, okay? I didn't trash the shoe. I wore them to work. So these got worn for about 8 hours, mostly inside of an office, so don't worry about it. I'm trying to find someone to shout out. Here we go. So today's shout out goes to Adrian Toledo. Adrian says, hey, I'm late, but damn, I missed your videos. So bad. Welcome back. Wait, I didn't read that right. Let me say that right. He says, hey, I'm late, but damn, I missed your videos. So welcome back. There we go. Thanks, Adrian. Love you, guy. He always tunes in. He always says really nice things. He always thumbs up. You know, just a great supporter of the channel. So I went inside on the way back into the office, just so you guys can see what these look like, not under direct sunlight, because they're actually a little difficult to film. Like, they kept getting blown out. So here's what they look like inside the office. Again, it's a sick shoe. Then I decided to give you guys some bonus footage of what they look like indoors. And again, I'm showing you the bottoms. Look, I told you I didn't kill the shoes. I didn't kill them. The bottoms still look great. I am going to drive home in these, though. So I drive a 6-speed. I got to press on the clutch pedal, gas pedal. These are going to get a little wear on them. But hey, it's a free shoe for whoever gets them. But, you know, and shout out to the gifter again. I really appreciate the shoe, guys, for sending me this crazy shoe. I appreciate it. Hit me up on IG for more information. And for some reason, I thought these were SBs, so I was going to take them out to show you guys the insole, but they're not. And I promise my feet are clean. So, peace, love, and light. I'm out, guys.